What's up and welcome back to Hayah's Hive. Today I'm going to show you how to make butter chicken. Now this is a very delicious recipe and it tastes just like the restaurant made butter chicken. So let's get started. So first we have to marinate the chicken. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and salt to taste. Next, add 2 teaspoons of vinegar and mix everything together. Now, we're going to marinate this for 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15 to 20 minutes, take a pan, pour some oil and heat it up. Now, fry the chicken. Stop frying the chicken when it's almost done and ready. Now, in the same pan that you fried the chicken, add a spoonful of butter. Spread the butter around in the pan. Wait for the butter to become a light golden color. Now, chop some onions and add it into the pan. Salt the onions well and keep a lid on the pot. Next, after the onions are nicely sauteed, add in chopped tomatoes. Now, add in 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now, mix well again. Next, add 1 teaspoon of kashmiri chili powder and mix well again. Keep a lid on the pot. Now the onions and the tomatoes should be well sauteed. Now add 1 cup of water and mix well. Keep a lid on top again. Next, add some cashew nuts and mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Now let this simmer for around 10 to 15 minutes to become soft and mushy. After simmering, let it cool down for a while and blend it in a mixer. After blending it in the mixer, it's better to pour it through a sieve. So as you can see, I've blended the whole mixture. Blend it well so that there are no lumps. It should be a thick mixture. Now, add a little bit of kasuri methi. I'm only adding this much. And mix it. Next, add some cooking cream. I'm going to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream, but I recommend you use around 2 tablespoons. Now, since this is a butter chicken recipe, we're going to add some butter. I'd say around 1 tablespoon. Now before we continue the video, if you like this video, please press the like button, press the subscribe button and press the bell next to it and select all to receive the notifications of all my videos. Now let's continue. Now we have added the cooking cream and the butter. Next, we're going to add in the chicken that we fried previously. So I've added my chicken and I'm mixing it well. And now our butter chicken is ready. I'm just serving the butter chicken in a bowl while it is hot. Now I've just added some coriander leaves and kasuri methi and a little bit of cream to give it that restaurant look. So this is the final butter chicken. It's a very easy and simple recipe, but it is very delicious and it tastes just as the ones that you order in a restaurant. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.